In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a conversation in Slack. Whether you're needing to archive messages for personal records or simply want a backup of an important discussion, it's quite a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. First things first, let's navigate to the Slack application. You can do this via your web browser or by using the desktop application, whichever you prefer. If this is your first time using Slack on this device, you'll need to log in. Slack provides multiple options for logging in, so you can access your account seamlessly. You can log in using your email, or if you prefer more convenience, you can also log in with your Google or Apple credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to identify and select the workspace where the conversation you want to download resides. For those who might be new, a workspace in Slack is essentially a shared hub where your team communicates and works together. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll see a list on the left. Simply click on the one you're targeting. After you've entered the correct workspace, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the workspace name. Right next to it, there's a small downward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Workspace Settings. This area is where you can manage and customize how your Slack workspace operates. Now, within the workspace settings, you're going to look for the option labeled Import, Export Data. Clicking on this will guide you to the section where you can handle all data exports for your conversations. It's key to understand that exporting data is a powerful tool that allows you to back up conversations, but it should be done responsibly, keeping in mind privacy and security protocols. Once in the Import Export Data section, look for and click the Export button. This is where you'll determine what specific data or conversations you want to download. Slack gives you the flexibility to export conversations from a certain date range. Choosing an appropriate date range is vital, especially when you're searching for specific threads or messages. Make sure that the range you select encompasses all the conversations you are aiming to download. After you've selected the date range that includes the conversation you're interested in, go ahead and click Start Export. Slack will begin compiling the data based on your selection. Depending on the size and length of the conversations, this might take a few moments. Once ready, your exported data will be available for download. And that's it! With these straightforward steps, you now know how to efficiently download conversations from Slack to ensure that critical information is never lost and is always at your fingertips. Thanks for following along, and happy exporting!